Hey guys, I'm Bryan.
Mom was emptying her cupboard.
The one thing we always forget at tailgates is like some type of like frisbee, football, something like that. So we're gonna go check the car. We might have one in there, but probably not. And it is really wet out here.
And you have Vans on.
And I have Vans on. Your butt got wet earlier.
Yeah, soaked through the blanket.
I don't.
I thought it was in. It is. There it is.
Wait, the frisbee?
Yeah.
Yes!
Get up.
I get it! Yes!
And
yes!
we have.
Yes!
This might keep some of our food or something protected. I don't know.
Oh, thank God. Guys, it is seriously like soaking wet out here.
I think we set the tents up just before it started raining though, so the ground over there is not too bad.
That's awesome because everything else is extremely wet. So the first time my mom came up, because my mom's over there, first time my mom came up for homecoming game, it was snowing. Last year it was nice weather, and then this year it's been raining pretty much the entire day. So we got in all 3 major seasons so far.
All 3 what? That's what I was.
It snowed the first year,
Yep.
and then it was nice last year, and now it's raining. So we got all 3.
I'll set up here.
We're gonna do that.
But it's gonna be fine. We're not gonna. I don't think we're actually going to the game, but we're at least gonna tailgate and have some fun.
Your sweatshirt or your jacket or whatever this is. Coat.
You'll learn that if you're a guy and a girl gets cold, it's no longer your coat. See, the issue is raw tomato. Emily agrees with me that raw tomatoes are weird.
No, I do not. Tomatoes are amazing.
This debate has been going on since like 3 videos ago. And this is what I'm talking about. When you eat these, where it's like raw tomatoes mixed with other food, that's fine. But when you're weird like these people and you eat like a normal just tomato by itself.
They're so good. What
Do you eat raw tomatoes?
Yes.
Like,
Who
okay,
doesn't?
no. Like, okay, you take a tomato and you like eat it like an apple.
I would do that. No, like you slice up
I'm
your
surrounded by
tomato
weird.
and you have like half of it left. You put some salt on it and you eat the rest of it. It's good.
American hot dog does that or you wouldn't. Okay. Wait, hold on.
Oh, they're coming back.
Are you recording?
Yes.
I love my little. This is Kate. Hello.
Hello.
I'm Cheyenne. Oh my God, guys, it's Bryan. Oh my God. It's Bryan. Oh my God.
It's kind of raining a little bit, just a tad. So we're packing up for the day. My camera's getting really wet, so I should probably stop recording now. So guys, we got back from the tailgate, completely soaked, 100% all the way through. It started downpouring right when we left the tailgate. So as we were like packing up, we just got poured on, like completely soaked through everything. Put your seatbelt on.
Do you have a hairbrush, Hailey? Hailey's like, yeah, right.
I know he falls asleep on the couch.
You may think we're sleeping. It's that.
I'm so bummed. I was supposed to go to Halloween weekend last
doing?
weekend, but then I had to retake that SAT.
He's doing
Super-
stuff for the fans.
You got one too?
Super duper secret stuff.
Okay, you're boring.
Am I good?
Ready for your close up?
This one's
Emily, ready for your close up? Hey guys, I'm Bryan.
Dad.
I wear beanies. What else does Bryan do? I'm making fun of him. The beanie looks good on me though, you know?
He's watching football. He won't come to bed before.
What else does Bryan do? The longboard. make vlogs. Okay, bye. While you guys are at it, go like and subscribe to my channel. Alright, that's right, it's gonna be right here.
Nope. Unsubscribe from his channel. Unsubscribe.
But you can find you in it.
This is the garbage?
Find me in these two.
Well, I'm gonna take this out because the garbage cans.
But my videos are better.
There you go.
Then I talked to her stepdad, and then I was like,
Oh, really? So we blew the fuses twice. We blew the fuses on one side of the room, and then the fuses on the other side of the room. So now we have our battling pancake makers using separate,
Separate stations.
separate state. But it's going good. It's good.
Oh shit.
Are you eating the pancake?
The batter off the spatula.
Now we're gonna do this pitching kind of weird thing where we match up like companies with products and make people pitch these like random ideas. So we're gonna do that with the parents now.
hi guys, thanks for being here today.
Background on why we're having the event here. So Bryan is like the hub for all of our entrepreneurship and like business students.
All right, so our two things that we had to combine were Google and pants.
So with our Coke, we wanted to keep it fresh. So what we're doing is using the original Coke bottle because it's got the sales with it, but we're gonna have an iced coffee in the Coke bottle.
Okay, so we had apple shampoo. It's a shampoo bottle that's refillable, and instead of water in there.
Okay, we're finished up for the day. At least doing the brunch thingy that we did earlier today. Our parents just left a little bit ago. We cleaned up. It's been kind of like a down, like last couple hours, like the last hour basically, because we've been going nonstop since yesterday. But we got Hailey, Emily, and we're actually gonna go take her. Oh my God. We're gonna go take her pictures. Like 100 different times.
Oh my
Ah!
What?
She broke the door. Oh, it's windy. It's also very muddy. Right here. Location 1 done. Going to location 2, which is in the woods. And my hood up is because my hood is up because it is really cold out. It got worse. Windy and cold, not a good combination, but no.
Because I can do the little thing where this is in the front, you know, like your lights.
Going to location 2.
The leaves.
Okay. Whitehall, there's a 30% chance.
Last location done. How'd it go?
Pretty good.
It was really fast. It was like super quick, but Hailey's efficient. So we're gonna get home. We're done for the day.
Emily's just used to it.
You're right.
It's really dark. There we go. But yeah, anyways, we're done for the day, and now we are going to go back to Hailey's apartment and warm up, kind of be done for the day, relax. So I'm gonna end it here. Thank you guys for watching. Wait, okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Darling, where do we go?